It's not 100% yet, but like I said, I'm constantly researching and trying to build on top of OpenAI. And my guess is that Google has something probably even better up their sleeves. Um, I read a quick fact the other day that Facebook and Google have like 80% of the market when it comes to machine learning engineers and PhDs. So that's what's going to move this industry forward. Um, Not necessarily that you need a PhD by any means to do this, but if they're just hiring everybody up, there's got to be a few really smart people in that group. So that's going to be interesting. I just want to be ahead of the game though, with all this machine learning AI stuff. You know, as OpenAI and other companies release their models, you can always build on top of the models. So in the dream world, and it will come true someday for me, is I'm going to be able to put in text just like I showed you here, but instead of having to tweak all these things, it's going to spit out a perfect trading strategy that works without any edit.